Another Chevy Tahoe, check engine light. Let's see what this code is. All right, let's see if we can connect. Let's see what our error code is. Auto link in progress. Auto link, we've got P0101, mass or volume airflow circuit range performance issue, P0101. I think I know what that one is. Okay, first of all, let's get that cleared. I don't know if I can see any of this here. Clear code, yes. Erase was successful, good. I got the code cleared. We're good, right? Okay, now I gotta think we got a little bit more to go. Okay, mass airflow sensor. Let's start with getting it taken off here. I have got a 5/16. Let's see if 5/16 will get this off of here. Yeah, I don't think that I actually needed that, but let's get this off of here. Okay, let's take this out. Oh geez, I forgot I have to use a special wrench to get that off. I was gonna change the, thinking about changing that out as well. Let's see if I can get this off of here without pulling the whole air box off. All right, mass airflow sensor. Huh. Doesn't look that bad, but all right, if that's where I'm getting my code from, let's see if I can get this out of here without breaking the plastic. I know the plastic in these is very brittle. Can I get it out without breaking it? Okay. All right, mass airflow sensor off. Boy, that was tough. All right, brand new mass airflow sensor. Let's see, where does this piece go? Right on here. We're seeing everything. All right, mass airflow sensor. New one versus old one. Let's get the new one lined up here. I should put this, okay. Does that have an orientation? I think it has an orientation somewhere other than that. And hopefully that will do. I'm gonna have this piece right here, plug in right here, like that. Okay, looks like the new one is in. Let's get it hooked up to the... Yeah, I'm actually not going to put it on there yet. I'm going to get this box out of the way because I want to change my air filter while I'm at it. Torx bit, let's see what this is. This is a T25. All right, T25 to get the air box off of here. I'm not sure that I think that's the appropriate thing to put on an air filter, but I mean, does an air filter need a Torx screw on it? I don't really think it does, but here's the one that was always a pain to get to. This is why you need the extension socket, is this one right here. Or you seal it? Had to put a new mass airflow sensor on here. But I can't get the new mass airflow sensor on until I get this box out of the way. The box you need Torx set for.
Is Chance awake yet?
Mm-hmm. Yep, he's been awake all morning.
Well, if he wants to roll that on there.
Yep, he's been awake all morning. He slept all night like I did. All right, this is not really that bad, but okay, well, I got a new one. Let's change it. Not that bad. I don't think it's that dirty, but there we go. The new one on. Now I can put the mass airflow sensor back on there. Let's see if I can get this.
I don't know if he's up to it, because...
Yeah, go ask him. He's been up all morning.
No, he's doing this.
He's going to say now that it's too hot, now that it's getting hot out. I'm not liking where this mass airflow sensor is ending up. Let me see if I can change this angle here, because I've got to be able to get to it. Not now, it's so hot out here. He's going to complain about that heat. Okay, new mass airflow sensor is on. So if you can change an air filter, you can change a mass airflow sensor, that's for sure. Do we see anything, or is the sun blocking us now? That one's on tight. Get this one on tight now. This was way overkill using this big wrench for this. You really don't need it. It's just because I don't have a small wrench, quarter-inch socket handy. Okay. All right. Mass airflow sensor on. Air filter on. We are good. Old mass airflow sensor. Hopefully this was what was kicking off the code. If it's not, if it's something else, I'll let you know, but this is what I believe was kicking my code off. Okay, moment of truth. New mass airflow sensor is in. Let's see if we get check engine light. All right, no check engine light as of yet. I'll start driving and we'll see if it comes back, but I think we are good. All right, check engine light out.